Welcome to Pagosa Springs, Colorado, a mountain town nestled in the heart of the San Juan Mountains. The name Pagosa comes from the Ute word, often translated as healing waters, a fitting description for the natural hot springs that have made this place famous. For centuries, Native American tribes gathered here to enjoy the warm mineral waters that flow naturally from deep beneath the earth. The San Juan River is the centerpiece of downtown Pagosa Springs, attracting visitors year-round for fishing, kayaking, rafting, and relaxing riverside walks. Today, the hot springs line the banks of the San Juan River, creating one of Colorado's most unique landscapes, where streaming mineral pools sit just steps away from the cool mountain waters flowing through town. The hot water that emerges here begins its journey deep underground, where it is naturally heated before rising back to the surface through fractures in the earth. This remarkable geothermal system is what continues to sustain the springs today. Beyond the river, the surrounding San Juan Mountains provide a stunning backdrop in every season. Dense forests, scenic mountain passes, and vast wilderness areas make this one of the most beautiful regions of Colorado. At the center of it all is the Great Pagosa Spring, also known as the Mother Spring. Recognized as the world's deepest geothermal hot spring, It has been measured to a depth of more than 1,000 feet, with its true depth still unknown. Whether you're visiting for the hot springs, the river, or the mountain scenery, Pagosa Springs is a place where nature and relaxation come together. From above, it's easy to see why people have been drawn to these healing waters for generations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.